Today we're making the ultimate summer dessert. Tart, tangy, unbelievably creamy, super delicious, not too sweet, and oh so easy to make. That's right, today we're making a Limoncello Zinger Italian Cheesecake. No crust, but all the deliciousness. So good, so easy. Yum. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or wait till the end of the video, it's gonna be right there for you. All right, let's do this. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so the very first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then, in your stand mixer with the whip attachment or a large bowl, you can do this by hand, it's not that hard. You're going to add 1 cup of sugar and the zest of 2 large lemons. You're going to need at least 3.5 tablespoons of lemon zest. So we're going to whip this together just for a couple minutes, just to release all the lemon oils into the sugar. And then you're going to add 32 ounces of whole milk ricotta. If your ricotta is very loose, you definitely want to drain it. But I'm using, I think it's Galbani. It's very thick, so there was no need to drain it. Then there's 4 eggs, half a cup of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of limoncello. So now we're going to whisk this together till it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. Just like that. So now ready for our baking pan. So here I have my 9-inch springform pan that I sprayed thoroughly with some nonstick cooking spray. Added a sheet of parchment paper, sprayed that too. But I also lined the bottom with a sheet of heavy duty foil. That's very important because these love to leak. All right, so now we're gonna pour this into there. And then into our preheated 325-degree oven. It's gonna go for about an hour and 15 minutes. You're going to see it's going to rise up significantly. You want the edges a little golden brown, but you want the middle to be set. So if it's still really wet in the middle, it's not ready. If it's not wet in the middle, you're good. All right, so into the oven it's going to go. So I just pulled this out of the oven, and boy, does it smell good. It took a touch longer than I thought. It took about an hour and a half. But now comes the hard part. We got to let it cool. But first off, we're going to shut the oven off, put it back in, and crack the door open a little bit and leave it in there for about a half hour to an hour. Then we're going to leave it out in room temperature for 2 hours, and then into the fridge wrapped up for 4 hours or to overnight. It's going to be a long day. Buon appetito. So creamy, tart, tangy. Get all that beautiful limoncello. It's not even that sweet, which makes it even better. Oh my gosh, I love it. And it's so easy. The hardest part was waiting for it overnight. It's so hard, so hard. If you tried this recipe, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks.
Oh God. But what about that drink? You ready for it? I'm ready. Let's do this. Alrighty, so for today's peach zinger, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of white rum. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Then 1 ounce of limoncello. Almost out of limoncello. No! We're going to do 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And then just a splash of dragon fruit syrup. That's just to give it color and add a little sweetness to it. Just a splash. Now we're going to give it a good shaky. As we pour. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's like pink lemonade. Let's give it a try. Salute. Oh, wow. It's pink lemonade. No rum burn. No, you can't taste any of the booze in this. And it's 90% booze. This is amazing, but dangerous. Very dangerous. So drink in moderation. So if you try this drink, let us know. If you tried that amazing Limoncello Zinger Italian Cheesecake, you are going to love it. If you're a fan of lemon meringue pie, you will adore it. It's so creamy, tart, and delicious. So good. So let us know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Keep those suggestions coming, please. I need help. I love you guys. Mwah.